Yes, yes, yes.
Next time. There will be a next time.
Full one.
Minimized.
Good.
Get minimized.
You want?
Get minimized. Lin. Lins, lins, lins. Lins, lins, lins. Lins, 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 lins.
Okay, grab it, but go full round.
Sorry.
Okay, no more shit.
No, sorry.
Let me have the week they are selling half. Can I get half from half?
Eggs. Mr. Charles, am I doing it correctly?
So let me tell you. One is how much? This is too much for me.
Done?
Yeah.
Wait, no, not done.
What are you copying again now?
Who said I'm copying?
I don't know what you are doing.
I'm done. Should I press enter?
Yes, can you speak? Can you hear?
Huh?
Hello? Hello?
Mr. Charles, what did you say?
Hello?
If you can't hear me from there, why not change location? Change your position.
Mr. Charles, what did you say?
I said go to the next line. I don't know why you can't hear me.
Which one? Listen. Hello? So now one round for 190.
You're about to mess up your code. Can you be looking at what you're typing?
Come on, go full. Go one round. So one has it how far still rejected.
Why not allow this thing to give you the method? Why are you trying to type it yourself?
Huh?
Why not allow it to show you the method?
What do you mean?
You type your dots and then you wait for it to come out.
Let's try it. Okay. No.
So where's the error that you got? So you
If
can
I
see
was doing
when excuse me, when you decide to do something carefully and you're not doing rubbish because you are either watching TV or you are distracted by something or something else, you see that you do it well. Why is it that you'll be told to do your homework by yourself? Coming up with different excuses. I'm having error, I'm having this, I'm having that.
you're showing error.
Where's the error now? Where's the error? Should be the person I sent to you. Is there anything what did you do differently now that I sent than what I sent?
Okay, so I just called him and he said he wants
Anyway,
yeah. So what he said that
do you understand the code that you just executed now? Do you understand the code or not?
I do.
Yes, everything.
So what do you think is happening in this code?
On every line, on every line, the function upper is turning them to uppercase letters.
So what is that split line doing? What is that split line method? That split line method, what is it doing?
What is it?
What is it doing?
Oh, mommy said you do that you are doing there. Come and do work there.
It's turning every letter in the string to uppercase letters.
Split lines. Are you listening to my question at all, or you are allowing yourself to be distracted again? The split lines method, what is it doing?
It's splitting every line.
There you go. There's place for you in the kitchen. Oh, okay.
Don't answer my question.
Huh?
Don't answer my question.
Huh?
You left it.
You've not answered my question.
It's splitting every line, all the line in the code.
Now, are you with your notebook?
I couldn't find it.
So you're telling me that all the notes that you have taken in both JavaScript and in Python, you have thrown it away, you've lost it.
Go and find your note or stuff. Go to the cupboard and look for it. What do you mean? This boy, are you okay? Come on, get inside the room and look for it. This boy, she ain't got it from here. They make this. Eh? That is my game because also like you know, so when you got so here you go. You look for your notebook.
was for how many minutes?
10.
Really? Only 10 minutes?
Yes, because I was when I wanted to use the restroom at 11:08, and I came back at 11:18.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay. So you understand the if statement, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
Or perhaps we can go to 1.
So are you I think which one should you do a note on now? I think you should do a note on the if statement. What you should take
Yeah.
note of is the fact that the if statement has a condition part that can be what? True or false. Then it has the part that comes after
You said
the
I'll write
first.
an example.
For what? For the if statement now.
Yes.
And
But let me
you can use
write the meaning now. Let me write the
what
meaning now.
okay.
I'm waiting.
So the if statement is one that checks a condition.
Wait.
The if,
Can I put the if inside quotation mark? Can I put okay. The if statement. The if statement
is one that checks if a condition is one that checks
the if statement
is one that checks
is one
that checks
checks
if a condition is true or false.
if a condition is true or false.
Full stop.
So E or G.
We're not done now. Let's explain further. If the condition is true, if the condition is true,
if the
condition is true, comma,
is true,
comma, the statement
the statement
or statements
the statement
or statements
the statements or statements
that follow the colon, that come after the colon,
that come
after the condition and the colon. Yes, that come after the condition and the colon.
Condition
and the colon.
And the first colon.
COLON. Yes, simple. Written that?
Yes.
Are executed.
Are
executed.
DONE.
Okay. If there is no if the condition is false, that's the full stop. Yes, executed, full stop.
If
the condition is false,
is false.
If the condition is false and there is no else part. If the condition is false and there is no else part.
And there's no else part.
Then nothing happens.
Then
Nothing happens.
happens.
Full stop. However, comma, however, comma,
However, comma,
if there's an else part,
if there's
an else part.
And the last page is a lot of pages after the page I'm on.
Don't worry, we'll use it. We'll use up the space. We'll not waste it.
I only have 1, 2, 3 lines left.
Don't worry, we'll use it up. If there's an else part, however, if there's an else part.
Oh, what about the example?
The example can come in the new note. Or do you know that there's another way you can do it? You can write the example on the back page or on the cover of the book, on the back of the book. Share the space there.
Where, like on the cover?
Yes, on the cover.
No, like there's space, but on the page I'm on, there's only like 2 lines left. And
I know. I said one space scenario.
And where I want to go, it's only, and where I want to go is pages. It has a lot of pages after where I am right now.
We can find space now. Is there no space on the back of the book to write?
No, like I'm not on the back. Like I've already used like 1 page. I'm already going to use 3 pages. And I want, and if we're done with it by these 3 pages, what would I write the example? Like I'm in the middle
on the back of the book.
No, like
you
I'm
can write it
at
at
the
the back.
middle of the book.
At the middle of the book.
Yes. Like there was no space. And there's no space at the back.
There's no space at the back.
Yes. Like what I mean is, like this one. I'm like,
you're going to
the note I'm writing is between other notes, and another 3 pages after the other notes that are in front of the note I'm doing right now.
Why did you do it like that? You would have just use another, use something else to fill up that space. Anyway, so what you would do is this.
At the back, there will be no space.
What you would do is this. You will just indicate that the note continues somewhere else, and you say you write down where it continues, so that it's easy for you to know. Okay, it continues here. You will now go to the middle of the book and find where it continues. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, wait, no.
You will write down in that place where you are now.
After I finish this page that I have 2 more lines on, I can go to that other page that is free and write Thursday 18 November
Mhm.
2024's notes continue
Yes.
here.
Yes, exactly. Yes. So should I continue the note?
Yes. However,
Okay.
if there is an else part,
The statement or statements
the
that come after that else, or statements that come after the else
that
and colon. Don't forget else and colon. That come after the else and colon. The
else
statement or statements that come after the else and colon
colon
are executed.
are executed. Is that all?
Yes, that's all. So the only important thing that you may need to
I finished that in one page.
Okay. So the only thing that you need to remember about the if statement is that the bit that comes before the else and the one that comes after the else, both of them cannot be both executed. It's either one or the other. Do you understand? It's either one or the other. The statement, the one that comes before the else, and the one that comes after the else.
And
Hmm?
like, when you mean come after, do you mean like these prints, the prints that come after the else?
Yeah, exactly. The print that came before the else and the print that came after the else, both of them cannot be executed at the same time. It's either one or the other.
Okay.
Mhm.
The print that. So I write my ideology. Should I write only one example?
And one example is enough. One example is enough.
The 18th November 2026. Okay, Thursdays, 18th December. Continue. Example. So I'm writing from because input please enter the string please enter this way. String and two dot is alpha Done.
Don't also for that.
Okay. All right, that's good. Okay.
Also for that. Also.
So do you have any questions on how the if statement works or anything like that?
You said it. You said the if statement. The only thing I needed to remember was that. Mr. Charles.
Yes.
Mr. You said the only thing I needed to remember was that.
I said what you needed to take note of.
That.
Of course, it's not as if that's the only thing you need to remember. Is the fact that the statements that come before the else and the statements that come after the else, both of them are not, it's either one or the other. They cannot be both executed at the same time. Do you understand? Hmm?
I'm coming.
Are you writing it down?
Yes. B. S. C. Done.
Okay. And of course, by now you already know that it's not every if statement that has else part. It's just that I use this one as an example. It's not compulsory that every if statement must have else.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So I think we can stop here for today.
You wait time move. It was just 12:30 something. Now it's 12:51.
Yeah.
So, bye-bye.
All right. So I think let me see, our next class, we can have our next class by Saturday.
By Saturday. Okay.
Yes. But please, if you want to use the restroom, please make sure that you've done all the restroom that business you want to do before 11.
But I just woke up then when I now wanted to join the class, I just felt like using the restroom.
Just do your best. That means you should try and see how you can eat earlier and all that. Mm?
But earlier, I ate before I slept again.
You did?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. So I'll send you something that you can work on.
Bye bye.
For
So
tomorrow.
see you at the end of this week.
Okay. All right. Please do your
Bye.
homework. Oh.
Okay.
All right. Bye bye.